how to record Instagram story without holding button. When you get into that file selection, you need to go into your profile section, tap on the plus icon on your right upper side, the first side, and then go story, the third selection. And right from here, guys, as you can find out all these stuff selections, just go for camera. And right now, if I tap and hold on it, you're gonna see that I'm recording a video session on Instagram story, but with holding button. In this case, I'm gonna show you how to get off, or simply how to take off without holding button. As you go right here on all these stuff selections, you can find out all your filters which are related on your right point. Right down, as you can see, you have just story side, but right here, if you tap on it, you have the fourth selection, which is hands-free. Just go tap on it, tap again, and right here, guys, as you can see, we have done it.